It's easy to ignore a cough. You've probably just done it. But if you, or someone you know, has had a cough for 3 weeks or more, it needs to get checked out. It might be nothing to worry about, but it could be a sign of lung cancer. Lung cancer is more treatable when we find it early, so don't just hang around waiting for that cough to clear up. Speak to your GP or tell the person you know to do the same. Being cancer aware, get checked early.